Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. This is extension of the previous video with the example. Angular styling secrets, master host and the host context. Okay, so in the last video we have discussed what exactly the host and the host context is. Now we are going to take an example of that one. Okay, so here I'm going to generate a component that is card and update the card component.ts file like this, and then we are going to apply some styles to it. So I'm going to use the previous component, the same one, that is the contact us. Okay, so I don't need to generate this one, right? So let's apply the styles here, card component.css over there. Okay, so here is the combination of both the host and the host context. Okay, so here we have the contact us and here we have the css, right? So I'm going to update this. Okay, after this what we have to do, define the template card.h component.html. So this is our template file, right? So let's use our component.html over there. So let's paste this, right? Now use the component in the app component.ts with the this I think is already added. Dark theme is there, I suppose, and this is also the simple one. So let's go and just check it out in our main component, that is app component, right? So here we have the app component. Let's close this first. Home, about us, app config, about us. Now we will get our app component. Okay, so here we have the dark theme, right? And now I'm going to use the same one beside this. Okay, so this is how, and let's see. So here you can see that we have the style, right? So here you can see without, right? So here you can see that, right? Okay, let's have a let's understand what exactly we have done. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged explanation. The first app card inside the dark theme will have the dark styling. So here you can see that we have a dark styling, right? So this is basically the simple one. So this is the always come. Okay, so this two are the important one. So the app card, right? So the first app card inside the dark theme will have the dark styling. So here you can see that we have a dark styling. Okay, and the second one app card will have the default light styling. Okay, the first app card inside the dark have the dark background, and the second app card has a light background. Both have the hover effect that slightly enlarges them. Yes, correct, both have the hover effect, enlarge them. The host, the target, the root element of the app card component, applies the style like padding, background, border, and the hover effect. Example, the host hover makes the card scale up when hovered. Host context dark theme applies the styles when any ancestor of the app card has the dark theme class, changes the background to dark and text to white when inside the dark theme container. So here you can see that if I go and check the styling. Okay, so here we have the styling part, right? So here you can see that we have a host. Okay, so host have the background color is white, so it applies to the host element. Okay, and if we have the host context we are using, right? So here you can see that in the host context background should be this and color should be white, and the box shadow will be this, and both have the host transformation, right? So here you can see that apply styles host context when any ancestor of the app card has the dark theme. So whenever there is an ancestor have the dark theme, so here you can see app component when the ancestor have the dark theme, right? So has a dark theme. Here we have the ancestor, which where we have the context. So if this is the host part, that is we have done, and host context. Okay, app card has a dark theme class, changes the background color and text to white inside the dark theme container. Okay, and one thing which I have it. Okay, let's leave. So how it works in the example, the first app card is inside the dark theme, so it gets dark styling. Okay, so here you can see that we have the dark theme, so this component. Okay, so first app card is inside the dark theme, so it gets dark styling, so this will get the dark styling. And the second app card is outside the dark theme, so it keeps the default light styling, so this will have the light styling, right? The hover effect applies the both to the hover effect, right?
So this makes the host great for the styling the component itself, while the host context helps to adapt the styles based on the external themes or conditions. Okay, so whenever there is a condition like the dark theme or the light theme, so here you can see, if I go to the component.html, right? So here you can see that CSS, that's play a very important role, right? So here you can see that we have mentioned dot dark theme. So the host has the same one. Okay, so this is the default host, right? So the main container, right? So if I want to apply, if I have the theme dark, okay, dark theme, so what will happen, the background color changes from white to this color, and the color would change to white. Apply styles when the parent element has the dark theme. If the parent element has a dark theme, then it applies to all. The color should be white, the box shadow should be there. Okay, so this is how you can use the host and the host context. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.